Welcome to ClarityGrit, where we break down the psychology of growth, confidence, and self-respect. Let me ask you something. Why is it so easy to waste hours scrolling or watching videos but so hard to do the one thing that could actually change your life? You know what you should do: wake up early, study, work out, stay consistent, but your brain resists every time. It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is wired to crave comfort, not challenge. But here's the truth. You can train your brain to crave doing hard things, to actually enjoy discomfort. And once you do, life feels different. Work doesn't feel like punishment. Discipline doesn't feel forced. It becomes your default mode. Let's talk about how to make that happen. Your brain is built for survival, not success. It evolved to avoid pain and seek pleasure. So when you try to do something uncomfortable like studying, exercising, or taking action, your brain fights back. It says, "This is painful, let's stop." But in the modern world, that instinct works against you. Growth often feels painful, and if your brain always avoids it, you'll stay stuck chasing easy dopamine instead of real progress. So the first step is to stop fighting your brain and start retraining it. You don't need motivation. You need reprogramming. Here's the first principle. Use the dopamine switch. Right now, your brain rewards instant comfort like checking your phone or watching something fun. But you can flip that system. How? This can be achieved by rewarding effort rather than outcome. For example, when you finish a hard workout, don't rush to your phone or distract yourself. Sit for a moment and feel the satisfaction of doing something difficult. When you finish a task you didn't want to do, acknowledge it even if it's small. That's how your brain starts linking effort with pleasure. The more you repeat it, the stronger that connection gets. Soon, your brain starts craving the feeling that comes after hard work, not the easy escape that comes before it. That's how you build a mind that wants the grind. Second principle, shrink the friction. The reason you avoid hard things isn't always the task itself, it's the start. You don't fear the gym. You fear putting on shoes. You don't hate studying. You hate opening the book. So make the start stupidly easy. Instead of saying, "I'll study for 2 hours," say, "I'll open the book for 2 minutes." Instead of "I'll work out for an hour," say, "I'll just do 1 push-up." Because once you start, momentum takes over. You can't think your way into discipline. You have to move your way into it. Action first, motivation second. And over time, your brain learns that starting hard things isn't dangerous, it's rewarding. Third principle, make discomfort your comfort zone. Sounds crazy, but here's the thing, your brain adapts to whatever you expose it to regularly. If you always choose comfort, discomfort feels unbearable. If you regularly push yourself, discomfort feels normal. So build tiny moments of resistance into your day. Take a cold shower, wake up early, walk instead of scrolling. Do small things that make your brain slightly uncomfortable. These micro stresses build mental toughness. And the more you prove to your brain that you can handle discomfort, the less it fears it. Eventually, your mind starts craving that sharp edge because that's where growth happens. And here's the fourth principle. Visualize the after feeling, not the effort. When you think about doing something hard, your brain instantly focuses on the pain, how tiring it'll be, how boring it feels. But if you train yourself to focus on the after, the peace, pride, or clarity you will feel, your brain sees a reward waiting for it. Athletes use this all the time. They don't imagine the pain of training. They visualize the feeling of victory. You can do the same. Before doing something tough, imagine that post-effort peace, that deep satisfaction. That's what pulls you forward when your willpower is low. Now here's the takeaway. You can't wait to feel ready. You can't hope that one day your brain will magically want to do the hard stuff. You have to train it, slowly, repeatedly, intentionally. Because every time you choose effort over escape, your brain rewires itself. Every time you delay comfort, your mind grows stronger. And one day, doing hard things won't feel hard, it'll feel natural. That's when you know you've broken free. So stop chasing motivation. Start building systems that make discipline automatic. The kind of systems that reward effort, lower friction, embrace discomfort, and focus on that after feeling. That's how you force your brain to crave doing hard things. This is ClarityGrit. Stay strong, stay clear, and keep growing.